Hi guys, in my last video we learned about how to implement navbar and what is the usage of navbar. So in this video we will complete this layout with valid content. Okay, so let's start. So here we have left image and right image block, right? We have to fill this block with image. Okay, so for that we have a tag in HTML, that is image tag. So here I am removing this h3 tag. So, image img, okay, like this is image tag. So it will have src attribute. Then here we need to fill this src with image path. Okay, for that I already downloaded from nature images. Okay, so in assets folder I placed those images. So assets slash some bubbles Oxford JPG. So and style, this is inline style, right? Here width 100%, then height 100%. Here width height 100% means this image tag will occupy this left image class height and width. Okay, not entire window. Okay, yeah, it's came right like this. So width is 100% and height is 100%. So now right block same, everything is same. I am copying and pasted here. So here I will change this path in assets, some other image greenery. So let's see once. Yeah, it's came. So but it looks like odd. We should make these images as a proper way to present. Okay, so for that we need to maintain some equal space in between navbar and images, and image to image and image to next description block also. Okay, so for that I'm going to choose padding for this element. So how to do that? Here in left image class in CSS style sheet is there, right? App.css. Here already we implemented left image class. So here just I'm giving padding. Okay, 5 pixel, that's it. Saved. Yeah, some spaces came, right? So here also for right image also left image, then right image class also here, right? So same I'm doing like that. Yeah, so I'm removing these borders. Okay, now those are not required because we already filled that layout with valid content, right? So border removed, then here also border not required. It's fine. So here you just observe guys, top to image, left to image, bottom to image, equal space, but in between these two images it's some more space is there, right? So we should make equal space. So for that what's happening here is, so padding 5 pixel means it will apply 5 pixel for 4 sides. Here also padding 5 pixel, so it is applying 4 sides. So this image right side and this image left side 5 pixel 5 pixel, so total 10 pixel is added. So for one image we need to remove 5 pixel left or 5 pixel right. Okay, so for image left image padding hyphen right 0 pixel I'm giving. Okay, fine. Then it will remove right side padding 5 pixel. Okay, then it will assign 0 pixel. So now equal space is maintaining, right? So guys, next step we have to fill this description block with valid content. So for that I'm going to take some description from Chronicle page, okay, Deccan Chronicle. Today news, okay. Here I'm taking some so here yeah, this paragraph I'm going to take, okay. Now for dummy content, okay. So in HTML, this is banner section, it is done already, left image, right image, okay. So this is closing div, then description block, yeah, this one only. So to display a description in website, we have a tag that is paragraph tag, okay. So here I pasted all the information, okay. Then see once, removing this one, yeah, a small description, but the text is starting from left 0 origin, right? So it's not visible first character. So for that I have to maintain equal space like images, okay. So for that here also we need to give padding, description black, so this border not required, okay. So then padding 5 pixel, yes, it's fine. So guys, now the text is maintaining some space before starting, okay. So next we have to fill these blocks with images, and we should maintain some equal space like banner images, okay. So let's start. So for that again we have to approach image tag, right? So in first poster block, sorry, in poster block, image block 1, okay. So then block 1, block 2, block 3, so like this one. So this entire thing is posters block, then first one is block 1 images, okay. So then this one 1 2 3 images, okay, like that. Posters block is the main container, and first vertical division is the image block 1, then these three are for image tags, okay. So for that let's implement images, image img, okay. And this is a self closing tag, so this is not a pair tag, okay. So src in assets greenery 3, same like this, here also same, and we need to write style width, okay, width 100%, then height also 100%. So if we mention like this, then it will occupy its parent height and width, okay. Otherwise it will take image actual size, that will raise some issues in your website, okay. So must and should we need to maintain height to 100%, width 100%, and its parent should be in fixed widths, okay. So now let's see, yeah, some 3 images are came right here, fine. So we should maintain some equal space also here. So for that this block is block 1 image, right? So here block 1, So now these image block 1, image block 2, image block 3 are vertical divisions, okay, inside image block 1. So this is a block 1, image block 1, okay. So here I am removing now this background and everything, borders, because I'm here we filling with valid content, right? So padding 5 pixel, and we have to remove the border for its parent also, that is block 1. So I am removing this background color. So let's see. Yes. Yeah, it's maintaining some space, but it's displaying that space in gray color, right? Because the posters block assigned with gray color background, right? So if I remove this one, then the output as expected. So guys, for remaining two images also we have to do the same thing like that. So removing background and padding 5 pixel, then here also block 3, padding 5 pixel. Yeah, so here you just observe guys, first image left side and first image bottom side, and these all three images in bottom maintaining equal spaces, but image to image some in unequal space, okay. So we should make equal, right? So for that, so here what's happening is this first image block have four sides 5 pixel, okay. This is also 4 sides 5 pixel. So top to bottom it's 5 pixel, left to right also 5 pixel. So this image left to right 5 pixel and next image left to right 5 pixel, so it's adding, okay. So for the first image and second image I am removing the padding right, okay. So for that, padding right, okay, 0 pixel. Yeah, here it's fine. Here also we should make same like that. Padding right, 0 pixel. What happened guys? Sorry guys, this one is block 3, means this is the last image, this one. So here same thing, we have to mention the same thing. So then for block 1, padding right, 0 pixel. Yeah, so now left, right and bottom, these three images are have equal spaces. So repeated images are came, right? We'll change that one because we mentioned same path for all images, that's why it's came like that. So I'm changing now the path in assets, some 5. Fine, okay. So next block 2. So for block 2 also we have to do same thing, but we should remember one thing, already we are maintaining some equal space, one image to second image, top image to bottom image, already we are maintaining equal space, so we no need top padding, okay. So So what we will do now, so this is a block 2, so here also same image. If I did the same thing, then what will happen, just see once. Yeah, okay, already it's maintaining some equal space from above image. Okay, now we no need to do padding like that. Okay, so we no need to write anything for maintaining top image to bottom image. Okay, so we have to do something to maintain equal space between left image to right image and this image to its bottom image. Okay, so now let's go and apply the padding. So I'm removing this earlier path and I'm assigning another image 6. Here also same assets, some greenery. Yeah, so now, yeah, different images, fine. So space is issue right now, so block 2, block 3 image in image block 1. So now block 1 in image block 2. So here background removed, so padding 5 pixel, it will apply 4 sides 5 pixel padding. So we no need to maintain top side padding right now, right? So padding top 0 pixel. Okay, done. Yeah, it's maintaining space, but in green color it is displaying because background green is there for block 2. So where is the green? This one, image block 2. Yeah, it's maintaining equal space, but here this is not aligned with above image, right? So we should make sure that. Okay, so for that, padding right, padding right also 0 pixel. Sorry guys, not here. In block 1, image block 2, here padding right. Zero pixel. Okay, fine. So top, left, bottom, it's maintaining equal space. To maintain from right image, right? So for that block 2, here we need to handle that one. Okay, padding 5 pixel. So then, yes, it is aligned with right image. So top image and bottom image both are aligned and it's maintaining equal space. So here you just observe here some extra spaces came, right? For that top side extra padding is applied, so for that we have to remove that one, padding top. Padding top 0 pixel. Then let's see. Yeah, it's fine. So here also some alignment issue is came, right? So this image not aligned with this image, so padding right also we have to remove. To align with above image. Okay, yeah. So in right image, last image, we have to do the same thing. Yellow removed, padding 5 pixel, then see, yep, this image is aligned. So here extra spaces came again, so we have to remove the padding from top and right also. Okay, padding top 0 pixel, then padding right 0 pixel, saved it. Yeah, it's fine. So these 6 images have equal spaces, so remaining 3 images also we need to do the same thing. So same thing in HTML, same image, fine. We have to change the paths. Let's see. Yeah, okay, these 3 images are have equal space at the top. Okay, so in between these images we should make sure some equal space. Okay, so now here I'm going to select not block 1, in block 2 remove padding, remove background, so padding 5 pixel, then see once. Yes, so background is blue, that's why it is displaying like that. So that background blue is not for this class, so it's from parent class, that is block 3, block 3 image, block 3, this one. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, here observe guys, it's maintaining some space bottom, left and right. In the top we should remove 5 pixel, so padding top 0 pixel, so now, oh, I think I wrote for main class, so some other class. Okay, fine, let's remove it. That is for block 2, block 2 in images block 3. Okay, here padding top 0 pixel. Yes, so now it's fine. So for first image and third image we should make some equal space from this red line border and here also. Okay, for block 1 and block 3 I am giving padding bottom 5 pixel. So for block 3 also removing these backgrounds here also. It's maintaining equal space. Yep, and here one more thing guys, so these all images are all aligned, but here also, here some issues came with alignment. So for that, that one is block 2, image 2 in block 3, right? So padding right 0 pixel now. Let's see, fine. So for block 3 we have to give padding left. 5 pixel. Fine. So all 9 images are maintaining equal space from each other. Okay. So next, contact info. So to implement contact information, we need to depend on forms in HTML. Okay. So in my next video, we will continue from contact information. Okay. So keep watching guys. Please subscribe, comment and share. If you have any doubts, please comment on the comment section. Okay. Thank you guys. Keep watching.